How to change Uber Eats bike to car or motorcycle. Hello everyone, if you are working with Uber Eats using a bicycle account and want to change it to a car or motorcycle account, this video will help you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your vehicle type, upload your documents, and avoid common problems during approval. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Uber driver app. Tap on Menu. Then go to Help. Tap on Account and App. Select Updating your vehicle. Here choose Add, Remove or Update Vehicle. Now tap on Add a new vehicle to my account. Next, choose what type of vehicle you want to add. If you want to use a motorcycle, choose Motorcycle. We want to change from bicycle to car, so we will choose Car. Step 2. Vehicle Information. First, fill in your vehicle information. Select your vehicle type, car. Now enter your vehicle details. Vehicle maker name. This means your car company name. For example, Toyota, Honda, Ford, BMW or Mercedes. Next, enter your vehicle model name. For example, Corolla, Civic, Focus or C-Class. Select your vehicle color. Enter the manufacturing year of your vehicle. Add your license plate number carefully. Make sure all information is correct before submitting. Now tap on Submit. Step 3. Upload documents. After submitting your vehicle information, you will receive a notification from Uber. Go to the notifications section and upload your necessary requirements. Uber Eats will ask you to upload your documents: profile photo, driving license, insurance certificate. Make sure photos are clear, information is readable, documents are valid and not expired. If your documents are blurry or incorrect, your approval may be delayed. Now upload your documents one by one. 1. Upload your selfie photo here. 2. Upload your driving license here. 3. Upload your insurance certificate here. Make sure you upload food delivery insurance. If you only have social insurance, it may not be accepted by Uber Eats. After uploading everything correctly, wait for approval. Step 4. Approval, problems and going online. Now Uber Eats will review your documents. Approval time varies depending on your city and country. Sometimes it is fast, while other times it may take a few days. If your new vehicle does not appear immediately, don't worry, this is normal. Some drivers face common issues like the vehicle not showing, still being stuck in bicycle mode, or documents getting rejected. If this happens, double-check your uploaded files and information. Try re-uploading them or contact Uber support for help. Once your vehicle is fully approved, return to the Uber driver app. You will now be able to select your new vehicle type, go online, and start accepting delivery requests with your car or motorcycle. If you want to learn how to change Just Eat, Deliveroo, Hungry Panda, Stuart Mail, bike to car or motorcycle, make sure to follow our channel, Mr. Fars, to stay updated and never miss our new videos. Thank you for watching.